I'll show you how you can fix your website filter on Wix not loading in. Now, there is a very simple fix that you can try. There's also a couple of other complicated fixes you can try as well. Another complicated fix that except your database is corrupted or your plugin is having conflicts. Those are things that you could try to fix, but I have found that sometimes that if your website builder is not working, the most simplest solution is to just change the theme. You can go ahead and go to My Home here and you can tap on Select a Design. Once you select a design, you want to go ahead and find the most simplest one because sometimes another of these designs is very heavy, right, on your browser and it could cause your filter not to load in. So don't choose the heavy one. You just want to choose the very simple one. So for example, mine is currently this one, Hola, and I want to change it back into retrospect like this. And I'm going to tap on continue. Once I tap on continue, it's turning on the lights and making your cookies, things like that. It'll be making the WordPress website back into this original theme. So it's much more doable. Now, once here, you can see I can tap on view site, see if it loads in, and you can see it'll load in just fine like this, right? No problem at all.